It's 11 AM and I'm only just setting off on the bike. It is Sunday morning and the sun is shining, but this is why I've left it so late. A little bit of like frost on the road, so I'm just walking past the end of the street, get on the main road. And I guess that's the beauty of the Festive 500, it's made me a little bit more confident, I guess. On other days I would never come out on this, but actually main roads are always alright, so you've got to be careful obviously, but there are days you can ride that I wouldn't have normally ridden, so off I go. I'm actually going to go and meet my friend Darius, which I've been to where he lives quite a few times and I managed to get a little bit lost. But I'm just warning you, Darius is not a chatter and Darius is not a stopper, so there's probably not going to be much actual footage from today's ride when I'm riding with him, so probably seen a little bit. Darius, I didn't mind a pair with £30. I think if I get some more, I want them like the clipper gloves, like the. We can begin at the top. Am I waking you up? Just going up and down the road to try and round up to 90. Can't just be me that does this. Come on. Get 90. So close. Woohoo! I don't know why, but that actually felt a really hard ride today after all that riding that I've done. It's only 90k, it was pancake flat. I've ridden in colder, but it's just, I don't know, my right foot is numb. I think when your foot goes cold, it just makes it not for a very pleasurable ride. But yeah, I'm alright. I'm back. I definitely didn't eat enough. Darius had to lend me one of his, well, give me one of his food bars. Because I always drink sugar water when I'm riding, and the sugar in the bottom had like all like stuck together, so it wasn't in the water. So I've been drinking this water thinking, oh, this doesn't taste very sweet, and then I was like, oh, that's why, because it's all stuck in the bottom. So that's why I like felt like I was bonking. So I'm gonna get in, have a shower, I'm gonna warm that foot up. I'm just gonna put that in the hot water straight away, warm that foot up, and then that's it. So 90k done, and that's it. I'm showered, I've eaten, and I just want to talk about today's struggle because it was a bit of a struggle. It was 90k, it was windy, it was cold. I almost bonked. I'd not eaten anywhere near enough on the ride or yesterday. My legs were in bits. I've done like a kettlebell session, I've done a boxing session, I did a park run yesterday, and my body just feels in bits. And it was a flat ride, it was like hardly any hills at all, and I struggled. And I kind of want to talk about that because I feel like when sometimes you see people on Strava and you see them like all their rides that's like scrolling up, I always feel like, do they never feel pain? Do they never like struggle on rides? And because you just always see like the gloss of Strava and like pictures of bikes propped up against like, I don't know, far away lands, and you think, God, do people never struggle? I struggled today, and I'm sharing the struggle just so we can all learn from it, and everyone does have a struggle. It was hard. It was a hard ride. And it is frustrating because sometimes you think, oh, you know, I did all that 500k, didn't even have, like, yes, it was a bit chilly, but it wasn't like I want to go home, I want to get a car home. Whereas today, if someone had driven past me and been like, do you want to lift back? I'd have been like, yes, take me back, because I'd had enough. I'd just not eaten enough. And when you start getting that, like, that feeling of you thinking that you're about to bong, it's just like, it's not a good feeling. But I have located, and I know that feeling now, so I'm like, no, I need to stop, I need to eat. I bought some soft mints, and basically ate them in 2 goes, because I was just like, I need sugar. So I just wanted to share that experience, and I guess the good thing with it is the more it happens, the more times you have a bad ride, the more you learn from it, and the more you learn for next time. So, in fact, I'm going to leave a link to the first time that I full on ran out of energy on a ride. It was not a pretty day. I'll leave a link to that. That was quite a fun video. But yeah, that's it. I might be commuting to work tomorrow. I'm just having to think. Oh, the practicalities of it. I might do a separate video on the practicalities of commuting to work, because I need my car for work, so we shall see. But I just want to share that, and I hope you've had a nice weekend out riding. And yes, thank you so much for watching. If you've got any video suggestions that you want me to do, post them in the comments below. Always up for reading those. I love reading your comments. So leave me a comment, and I will see you later on in the week for another video.